16. 16.
16. Apply. 16 for 16. Apply.
May I please? There are three matter, my lord, regarding admission matter, my lord, regarding in charge principal of higher secondary school, 2 is pension matter, my lord. Let the matter come on next week, my lord.
Next,
Next week?
after vacation.
Well, very urgent.
Already lot of cases fixed before vacation.
In charge principals of higher secondary school, my lord.
Maybe. After vacation.
Before
Take a date in the first week.
first,
Similar regarding listing. Proceedings are very small matter, Lordship. It won't take much time.
No, before vacation, not possible. Admission matter
Admission matter.
after vacation. First week of January. Yes.
Any day before vacation.
No, not possible. Not possible.
But
Yes.
next to mention for listing on matter for admission, this is my lord for listing of the union body of a college, my lord.
Pardon?
Because matter is relating to election of a union body of a college. Matter is, I am for the respondent and petitioner approach this honorable court and the entire election has been stopped, my lord. Stay order has been passed. So matter is urgent.
When?
On, my lord, last week it was.
Last week?
We have filed affidavit, my lord, also. But
Before vacation, not possible. After vacation.
always.
First week of January, take a date from him. Yes, Mr. Fakwan.
Wait, please, Lordship. Item number 1 to 4. With the due consent of the other side, madam, we have filed an additional affidavit. They received today.
We have already filed the,
Today we have received
but
an affidavit to go through the
they
additional-
come on the record also.
Can it be taken up in the next week, madam? Because we have to go through the additional. affidavit.
Before vacation, not possible.
Then, my lord, after vacation, any
First week of January.
question?
Mr. Fakwan learned standing counsel for the respondent in elementary education department with consent from the other side, press for listing the matter in the next week. However, in view of fixing of large number of cases before the vacation, it is provided that Justice shall list the matter in the first week of January 2026.
Date is fixed or?
Take a date from him.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 and 19, Lordship. In this matter, my Lordship, affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent, we need 2 weeks time file a reply, my lord.
Mr.
B. Boram.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the respondent in elementary education department
18 and 19. 18
who
and
filed the affidavit.
elementary education, respondent, my lord.
Elementary education department has filed the affidavit and the petitioners in both the petition will file their reply to the aforementioned affidavit in opposition and price for listing the matter after
vacation.
they are allowed.
That may be, my lord.
Wait, with the Lordship.
Bless.
Contempt petition, Lordship, for orders.
When?
Lordship on. 16 Lordship.
My lordship, I am praying for listing of contempt case, my lord, on Monday, my lord, for orders, my lord. It's a pending
Monday.
case, my last,
On 12.
12. Bless.
May I please, Lordship? Here for listing for withdrawal, my lord, for kindly fix for tomorrow. For withdrawal, published. My lord, 2 cases, same, withdrawal, for withdrawal.
Shipping for listing to motion matter, Lordship, Monday if possible.
When?
Monday if possible, Lordship. What, Lordship, and one admission matter, Lordship.
After vacation.
I plead your lordship. There is listing of admission matter, your lordship. Compassionate matter, similar matter were disposed of, your lordship. Matter for short matter, your lordship. If
Maybe
possible,
short,
next.
but we have to pass the order.
Yes, your lord. If possible, next week. Yes.
The first week of January.
Oblige.
Yes, here lawsuits, I have received that and it will today morning, so I am filing the accused middle lawsuit and taking on Monday. Otherwise, the treatment process is already over, only we have to bring everything on record. So I have received it today, I am filing during the course of the day.
Okay. Mr. SMT Sisti, learned standing counsel for the respondent. Number 1, 2, and 3 submits that he will be filing the affidavit in opposition today morning. And on such count, he pressed for listing the matter on Monday. Pair allowed. Let's just list the matter on Monday.
Item 13.
Possible for the time being, Lucy. My senior counsel is Lex in another board.
Item 4 admission. Item number 5 and 6.
In this matter, application, the SSC was asked to bring the record, because they didn't have it, then we were asked for the last order. But my lord, I have not received my the record and data, called them, so they said that because of the person who sent the record, he was unaware. So that is what he has telephonically informed me. So my lord, taken the consent, my lord, and the matter will fix, my lord, some other day, my lord. Maybe.
Okay. As agreed by learned advocates of
After
both the
vacation.
parties, places are based on matter. After vacation.
After vacation, my lord, they have said agreed.
After vacation.
6th of August.
Okay.
Deep
On that day, Mr. Fukan shall produce the relevant record person to order dated. Now, as asked for by the order dated 19/11/2025.
Obliged.
Already in item number 6, there is an interim order.
Okay, interim order passed in item number 6. I'll continue.
Obliged.
7.
May I please, your lordship, on last occasion, the instruction was sought for regarding the letter dated 19 June 2015.
Yes,
Regarding that's all the. So kindly some time.
Lordship, petitioner is waiting from 2015, though he was already recommended by the DLC, my lord. With no other fault. Next Monday, my lord, from 9:15, I am not available.
then 17,
17 is.
Ms. N. Fukan, learned standing counsel for the respondent in elementary education department, submits that the required information has not yet been received and she applies for short accommodation. They are allowed, races shall list the matter on 17th. 17th.
Item number 8.
Mrs. A. Buzorbura, record করে দেব। Okay. I am in. None appears for the petitioner on call. However, Mr. P. N. Sharma, learned standing counsel for the respondent in elementary education department, present, list the matter after the vacation. In the event of subsequent non-representation of the petitioner, appropriate order shall follow.
Items 9 and 10.
Yeah, my lord, I'm fine with the report, my lord. I will give out time.
Last occasion, it's that short time, lordship, it's 22 meters.
Actually, there is some miscommunication is there, my lord. The department has director requested us to file an appeal by those miscommunication, my lord. My lord, sometime in the grant.
Heard, Mr.
NJ Chaudhary.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. U. Sharma, learned. Standing Counsel for the respondent in Secondary Education Department. Mr. Sharma, you say on 4/10/2023, you have asked for 4 weeks time. Since 2023, 2 years elapsed. Now the instructions are still awaited. What is going on?
Actually, department has requested us to file an appeal, my lord, and some miscommunication is there in the document, so my lord, lapses, you know. So at least my lord, police service.
Oh, you have to pay the cost then.
And how the,
Hmm?
in that case, I have to, you know, okay.
No, the respondent will pay. Why should you pay? Hmm? Heard, Mr.
NJ Chaudhary.
And the Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. U. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel for the respondent in Secondary Education Department. Mr. Sharma submits that due to some miscommunication, the required information has not yet been received by him. But it appears that by order dated 8/2/2023, notice was issued to the respondents with a direction to file counter affidavit. Since 8/2/2023, almost 2 years elapsed, but Mr. Sharma submits that the instructions are still awaited and press for listing the matter after 2 weeks. Pair is allowed, subject however to payment of cost of rupees 5,000 by respondent number 2, the Director, Secondary Education, Assam. The cost amount shall be deposited in the Advocate Welfare Fund of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association before next date.
My lordship, item 11 and 12, my lordship may pass over for the timing as the senior counsel is on his legs in court 7.
Item number
11 and 12 connected.
Item number 13.
13 na 13?
13. 1 3. 13. 1 3. 1 3. Let's legal lordship.
Yes.
Here in this case, petitioner as a teacher was recommended by the district level selection committee, my lord, as well as by state level selection committee. But unfortunately, my lord, in the last stage, my lord, government did not consider. So that is the case, my lord, and I am referring to page 38, my lord. On similar case, my lord, on the similar matter, your lordship was pleased to pass an order whereby the director was directed to consider the case of the similarly situated petitioner. My lord, if your lordship please, then a similar order may be passed. The director will consider my case.
Madam, in this respect, we have filed our affidavit, my lord, here. Regarding that, as for our affidavit, he has filled the criteria as laid down by the Act of 2017. On last occasion, madam, the honorable was directed us to obtain instruction regarding the paragraph 17, madam. But it is still within my lord, one week may be granted so that I can obtain that.
Paragraph number 17 of
17, yes. On repetition. Yes, it is, madam.
No, you say whether the present petitioner is similarly situated with the petitioner in the writ petition number 940 of 2022,
Hello.
Annexure 13. Have you gone through this order?
Well, one of may be granted so that I can obtain the instruction regarding the paragraph number 17, madam.
Okay. We will take it up on next Tuesday. And this is the last opportunity to produce the instruction. Heard Mr. MSA, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. U. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel for the respondent in Secondary Education Department. Mr. Sharma, referring to the order dated 17/11/2025, submits that by the aforementioned order, he was directed to obtain instruction in respect of the averment made in the paragraph number 17 of the writ petition, but such instructions are still awaited. Any price for list the matter in the next week, they are allowed, recess and list the matter on Tuesday. It is being clarified that last opportunity is afforded to Mr. Sharma to obtain the instruction.
Thursday, at this one.
Thank you, sir. Then 49/15.
On the last occasion, lordship,
Hmm.
the learned court had directed to file the affidavit to the respondent. Today is the date fixed for affidavit of the respondent.
So, where is your affidavit?
14 and 15, এটা লাগে। Okay,
Yes,
same.
item number 14.
15.
Lordship, in regard for item number. Yes, Lordship. And both of them, as for this instruction that the marks.
When my petition is not entitled, the instruction is there also. Because the certificate which was sought to be produced or said to be eligible for that extra mark is not the one furnished by the petition law.
That's all right. You bring it on record by filing an affidavit.
Lord. I will find it.
No.
Affidavit devotion, no?
The similar submission was made on 25/11/2025.
Yes,
You have been directed to file the affidavit.
yes.
Where is your affidavit?
In fact,
This instruction you have received on 25/11 itself. Pardon?
On the last date also.
I'm sorry.
On the last date.
Lost 1 week time. I will find it. Perhaps in the last of the learning. I'm not a council over there. I will find it. So I will ensure that I will find it by 10 days time. What's in my 10 minutes.
Date may be fixed. Lordship, after 10 days, date may be fixed or not.
Heard Mr. B. Kapote, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. U. Sharma, learned standing counsel for the respondent in elementary education department. Mr. Sharma submits that though there was a direction in the order dated 25/11/2025, he could not bring on record the instruction received by him by filing an affidavit in opposition, and he pressed for and granted 10 days time to file the affidavit in opposition as last opportunity. In the event of failing to file the affidavit in opposition, the court will proceed to hear and dispose of the matter on the basis of materials available on the record. But the matter, there's 14 and 15. Yes. That
That will be
it will
fixed
be in the
also.
first week of January.
7th January. That's earlier.
I mean, I don't 30 for motion.
May I please allow you? My lord, this case relates to the, my lord, non-issuance of the transfer certificate of my minor children, my lord. In the last 2 occasions, my lord, direction was issued to the education department to take instruction. To that effect, lordship, kindly see the last 2 orders. Because I made a complaint to the inspector of school, my lord. What happened to that, my lord? They need to have apprised the court, my lord.
Who is appearing for the respondent?
Education. Here, item 30. Instruction. I say instruction. Yeah, I show instruction.
So instruction shows that he has not received any application
Yes.
from the petitioner.
And the annexure 5 also, annexure 5, page 19, no, still no received that. Nothing is.
Oh, they are saying that they have not received, my lord. I have given, my lord, legal notice copy also. Now, lordship, kindly see page 19. I have not only sent to him, my lord, to the chief minister also, education minister also, That apart, legal notice also, my lord. Copy was forwarded, my lord.
Mr. Borgoya, this respondent number 4, the inspector of school has not received your application.
So may I do like this, my lord? I'll submit again application, my lord. Let them make a call.
Okay.
That can be done, my lord.
Okay.
Because it's a livelihood, my lord, my.
Okay, okay.
Actually, his child is class 3 and LKG, madam.
LKG.
Elementary matter. Here he also sought the legal notice to the district elementary, copy to district elementary education officer. Now secondary is not related with that matter.
High school. Higher secondary school.
It is a high school. High school, yes.
Higher secondary, it falls under that. My lord, may I make,
Copy of this.
This is not a provincialized school also.
that is the private school, my
It is
lord.
a private school. It is looked after by the deputy commissioner.
No, as per the law says, as per the judgment also, there is a several judgment, my lord, where there is, my lord, public, they are working on behalf of the public, my lord. That is discharging duty of the public, my lord, that comes under the education. Because, my lord, right to education is involved, my lord. Apart from that, my lord,
Okay.
And my lord, he has not taken annex here the permission or.
how can I get, my lord, as a parent of a student, can I get permission, my lord? Speaking like a beyond track, my lord.
No, my lord,
Okay,
here-
okay.
Here my,
Uh,
the second paragraph, further in my instruction, further I would like to inform you that there are no any records in respect of such school in office of the undersigned. And as well as permission or registration order not received from the director. of
That is the good, my lord. Still maybe school may be shut down, my lord. Lordship can take summation, my lord, on the basis of the instruction. How they are running, my lord, illegally, playing life of the 100 many children.
So representation of.
No, no.
Required here.
Mr. Sorma, you say,
We'll see, my lord, another interesting.
no, let him inquire whether the school has obtained permission or not.
Yes.
And in the meantime, he will file an application.
Yes.
You obtain necessary instructions.
Lord, in that case, lordship kindly supply me, I may be permitted, my lord, to have a look, my lord, or to take copy. Because if the school is running, my lord, without anything, without anything, my lord, school has to be shut down, my lord.
Furnish one copy to him.
Yes, I will furnish the copy.
Mr.
Meantime, I
Jay
will-
Barbuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, and
My
Mr.
lord,
U. Sharma, learned standing counsel for the respondent number 4.
cannot run.
Mr. Sharma submits that he has received the
Fully modified.
instruction. And as per the instruction, the respondent number 4 has not received any application from the present petitioner. And that there is no record in the office
3, 5, 4.
as well as permission stroke registration order from the Directorate of Secondary Education in respect of the school of the respondents herein.
Why they-
Mr. Borboya, learned counsel for the petitioner at this stage submits that he may be allowed to file a fresh application to the respondent number 4. Where is accordingly allowed, Mr. Borboya shall file an application to the respondent number 4 within a period of 2 working days from today.
7 days, my lord.
Within a period of 1
Or
week
two-
from today.
I'll send the order, my
And
lord.
Mr. Sorma, in the next step shall obtain instruction from the respondent number 4 in respect of the representation, no, in respect of the application to be filed by the petitioner before the respondent number 4.
That apart, my lord, since he has come with the record, my instruction, my lord, lordship seek some instruction basing on section 3 and 4, my lord.
No, that is presently not required.
No, lordship, can
Let
have a look, my lord, and your lordship make in mind, my lord. Without permission, my lord, they cannot run school. It
School,
is
but
very, my lord.
he stated that he has no record.
Yes.
Let him obtain instruction.
Lordship. Otherwise, my lord, we have to file another case for closure of this.
The letter produced before the court today shall be marked as annexure and be tagged with the record. List the matter after vacation,
Lordship,
first week of January.
I'll take admission, my lord. Lordship fix the matter, my lord, after 10 days or 7 days, my
After
lord.
10
Then
days,
your
there is
lordship
vacation.
after vacation, because my
No,
lord,
no,
I need,
after 10 days, there is vacation.
without transfer certificate, I cannot get admission, my lord. Lordship,
No, yeah,
any
therefore,
date your convenience.
therefore, I would like to provide you only 2 days time.
Lordship, I'll do.
Oh.
I'll do, my lord.
Oh, recession list the matter on 17th.
Only I may be permitted to transmit, my lord, the order of the photocopy by WhatsApp, my lord. That may be, otherwise, my lord, it will be,
You obtain certificate copy?
but sending to Silchar, my lord, it will take 3 days. Only that much we given,
No,
my
no,
lord.
that
I may
permission
be
I cannot
permitted to
grant
get
you.
it
You obtain
download, my lord.
certificate copy and you transmit the order.
I may be permitted to serve downloaded copy, my lord. That will serve. my
No,
lord.
the certificate copy will be available before 12 o'clock.
No, that I know, my lord. Sending part, my lord.
Hmm.
Sending part,
Sending part, it is your responsibility, not my responsibility.
lordship, my lord. Lordship fixing the matter again on
17.
lordship.
Here, all the petitioners have been duly accommodated as users in terms of the having their names appearing in case number 2. So I have that instruction also. I have evidence that instruction is there. They have been all duly accommodated.
My lord, we have been accommodated. Initially, we were appointed in the year 1994 pursuant to a selection process. After receiving salary for some periods, salaries were stopped and we are subject to some screening process. And in the year 2021, we have been accommodated at fixed pay, only 10,000 rupees, with a condition that we will not claim for any arrear salary and will not be covered under old pension scheme. Whereas our service has been accommodated under the Fancier Education and Institution Act, my lord. But we were serving under a government school, not Fancier school. And therefore, we have challenged the cabinet memorandum under which we have been accommodated.
Let him file affidavit.
Yeah,
then.
short that may be the.
Heard Mr. N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. U. Sharma, P. N. Sharma, learned standing counsel for the respondent in Elementary Education Department. Mr. Sharma submits that he has received the instruction and he will bring the same on record by way of an affidavit. And price for listing the matter after 1 week.
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, pair allowed recess list the matter after 2 weeks. In the meantime, Mr. Sharma shall file his affidavit in the law.
Date may be fixed.
January 1st week.
On 19th January, item 17.
Your lordship,
Yes.
my lord, this matter is relating to the, my lord, appointment of in charge the school, my lord. And the petitioner before your lordship is a senior most graduate teacher having all the requisite qualifications to be the principal or in charge principal of the higher secondary school. But in spite of that, the seniority list has been submitted forwarded to the director to consider the same, and instead of doing the same, the in charge is given to the inspector of the schools, and subsequently academic charge is given to the content. So here admitted fact is this made, I am the senior most. That is an admitted position. Secondly, my lord, the affidavit opposition filed by the state
No,
council, my
but,
lord.
you tell me whether you have the requisite qualification for holding that post.
Requisite qualification. Yes, my lord, I am having the requisite. I am MA, B.Ed, and having 33 years as a graduate teacher, my lord, 33 years, my lord. 17 years is required. So far, the graduate teacher is my lord. MA is required, B.Ed is required. I am having the B.Ed degree, MA degree, B.Ed degree, as well as, my lord, more than 17 years continuous service as a graduate teacher. So I am having the requisite qualifications. And so far the seniority part is concerned, my lord, I am senior. This is an admitted position. what they want to say, my lord, in the affidavit,
Mm,
filed by the state council is this, my lord,
mm,
that I have MA without permission, formal permission from the department, my lord. That is one of the allegations, and that has been answered by this honorable court in catena of decisions, my lord, where it has been said, then unless the degree is cancelled by the competent university, degree is valid. So to that extent, my lord, I have also annexed one of the judgment in my affidavit in reply, and also I am having some more judgment, my lord, that I supplied to your lordship, my lord. And second part is, my lord, the age part. They have objected two things. One, my lord, that I have obtained MA degree without formal permission from the department. That has been answered, my lord. Secondly, my lord, that I am, my lord, overaged. As on today, my lord. At the relevant point of time, my lord, the minimum age is 57 years. Maximum age is 57 years. So at the relevant point of time, he was 56, my lord. And at the time of giving an appointment to the private trust, my lord, he was less than 57. And the, my lord, this, at the time of filing of this writ petition also, he was underqualified, qualified, my lord. Now, my lord, the matter is pending for 1.5 years, and after 1.5 years, my lord, the plea has been taken that I am now 57 plus, and that is why there are two grounds. So, and both the grounds have been
No,
answered
you tell me
by this
when
honorable
the
court, my lord.
vacancy arises, a vacancy has arisen, what was your age?
That was 56 years, my lord.
56 years.
56 years.
When the vacancy has arisen?
My lord, the first order, my lord, will find page 18, my lord. Yeah, that's it. Application, man. Applications. My seniority list, my lord, will find page 24. Vacancy. My lord, vacancy has been arisen on 31/8/23. That, my lord, will find the affidavit of opposition also. 31/8/23, my lord, vacancy arisen, my lord, arisen. And 21/8/23, my lord, seniority list has been forwarded to the department, my lord. That is on 21/8/23.
When the process was started for filling up that post?
Yes, before retirement. Because, my lord, the person was retired on 31st August 23. And before that, 1 year, 10 days back, my lord, 10 days back, 21/8/23, seniority list has been submitted. Where my name is at serial number 1. Then, in charge is given, my lord, 10/23, which was an in order, my lord. That was given to the inspector of schools. Then, my lord, I have given my date of birth, my lord, on 1/6/1967. 67, that is, my lord, 56 4 months, 2 days. So that is an admitted position, my lord. That part is admitted, my lord. They have admitted in their affidavit of opposition. So no dispute, my lord. For seniority part is concerned, my lord, no dispute. And so far, my lord, the only what they have, the state council have said that I have taken degree, MA degree without formal permission of the department. That is one object. And second, as of now, my lord, I am 57 plus. These two things. And both the things have been answered, my lord. And one of the decisions, my lord, so far, my lord, seniority is concerned, my lord. Honorable Justice Bhuya, my lord, Ujjwal Bhuya has passed the judgment where it has been said that when senior most person is there, that's the in charge should be given to him. I am having the judgment, my lord. And secondly, also in affidavit in reply, my lord, I also annexed one of the judgment and another judgment is there. Now here, my lord, your lordship will 15 and 16. 15. There are 15 and 16, my lord.
The importance of seniority.
It is regarding, my lord, important seniority. And secondly, my lord, in my reply, lord, in reply affidavit that my lord will file, I have annexed one of the judgment that my lord will file at page, my lord, 54. It has been said that, my lord, the taking or not taking approval or the permission of the department, my lord, the material, my lord. Where it says, my lord, until and unless, my lord, the decree is cancelled by the competent, my lord, the decree is valid.
And we have taken from what university?
And we have taken degree from the university, my lord.
As a private candidate. Which is the beyond the other order list.
And moreover, my lord, but recently, my lord, your lordship has passed in judgment in a contempt petition because the similar order has been passed. And actually, that was not followed. Then a contempt petition was filed, and in the contempt petition, my lord, was taken at the matter, and then, my lord, they have followed the order and has given the charge. And where everything has been mentioned, my lord.
Her age is beyond 50.
So far the age part is concerned, and here also
Her age is
59 years.
No, 50, beyond 57.
So, my lord, we want, my lord, since, my lord, the inch, only regarding in charge, my lord, regarding in charge. When, my lord, the regular fits will come, I will have to quit, my lord, I will have to quit. But so far, I am the senior most person having the deserving qualifications, my lord. My lord, the junior person has been given, my lord.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, this is, first of all, this is an in-charge post, your lordship. It is not a regular post. And in Jagannath, it's already been decided that to be in charge, a person has to have the required criteria, the eligibility criteria. your lordship. And of now, your lordship, the petitioner does not have the required qualification.
No, what is the qualification?
Qualification, lordship, he has the qualification, but he has stated is that he does not have the required age. Because of to be less than.
No, when the vacancy has arisen,
Lordship, it is an in-charge post. When he
Maybe,
was
maybe.
In the year 23, your lordship, and
Maybe.
after that, in charge was the inspector of schools, your lordship. And now to the in charge, your lordship, we cannot do beyond the rules, your lordship, because the rule says that he has to be less than 57 years and not more than 57 years, your lordship. Now we cannot consider him in that, in the post.
No, they have cited one example.
Lordship.
By producing the order dated 24/11/2025.
Lordship, I
So
have-
there is no dispute that the petitioner is the senior most person.
Lordship. Lordship, he might be senior, your lordship, but the thing is that.
But at the time of at the time when the vacancy has arisen, the age of the petitioner was 56 years.
Right now, the post is being held by the inspector of schools, your lordship, and now, if instead of him, is that the petitioner has to be brought in as the in-charge principal, he does not have the required age criteria, your lordship. He has to be less than 57 years old, he is 58 years old now, your lordship, 57, 8 months. 7 months, your lordship.
No, when the vacancy has arisen, then his age was 56 years.
He was, lordship, this is not a regular post, your lordship.
Maybe.
It's an in charge. The in
Maybe.
charge, right now, the inspector of schools is the in charge.
Maybe.
In charge.
If he is the senior most officer, why don't you allow him to remain in charge of the headmaster? Mhm. Mr. Sodhura, you furnish a copy of this order to her
My lord.
so that she can obtain instruction. We'll take it up at 2 o'clock today. In the meantime, you will obtain instruction.
At 2.
Can it be, After
Only the instruction that this order was earlier recalled.
After some time, your lordship. Before the
All right,
requirement.
all right, after some time. Furnish a copy to her.
Copy 9.
Wait, please, your lordship. My lord, here question arises, my lord, regarding in charge headmaster of a high school. My lord, my case is this, my lord, I am senior, having qualification, requisite qualification. My junior is given in charge, I am right off. Is the case, my lord. Now, government filed affidavit. In their affidavit, they taken the stand that my BEd is not recognized, number one. And number two,
From where you have obtained your B.Ed degree?
BEd degree from Kurukshetra University, my lord. And another point raised that I did not take permission before BEd degree. Fine, I am in service. So, my lord, my contention before your lordship will turn to page 19 of my writ petition. Annexure 5.
No, the question is whether you have obtained the degree by off-campus mode.
My lord. Off campus, all right, my lord. But
But
Kurukshetra-
whether such a degree is
Kurukshetra
recognized.
University is a recognized university, my lord.
No,
Your
there is no
lordship-
doubt about it.
My-
Mr. Sekhar, there is some decision of this court
My lord.
that off-campus mode degrees are not recognized.
That is not the stand taken by them. The Kurukshetra University is not recognized university from who is taken. You will turn to page 17.
Yes. Annexure 3,
My lord, to page 19.
19.
Here, my lord, to DSE Assam, from my lord, Principal Secretary, Government of Assam Education Department, regarding Bachelor of Education BEd program, ODL mode by different university institution recognized by NCTE. With this, my lord, Kurukshetra University is recognized. Your lordship will turn to page 20. Directorate of Correspondence Courses, Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. BEd ODL. So, my lord, as per letter dated 21st of February 2022, issued by the Principal Secretary to the Government of Assam Education Department to DSE, that the Kurukshetra University is a recognized university to get BEd. And regarding permission, my lord, regarding permission, they say that I have not taken permission. To that extent, my lord, your lordship will turn to page 17. Prayer for permission to BEd permission, so. To the Inspector of Schools, my lord. Your lordship will, in the left-hand column, your lordship will see aloud. My humble submission before your lordship, with permission, I have taken the BEd degree. Now what happened, my lord? They taken another stand that whether my degree is genuine or not, that will examined by CID. Now what happened, my lord? After their affidavit in opposition, that it is under scrutiny of the CID, I filed a petition before your lordship that the CID may be the party. But CID, that petition is rejected by your lordship. saying that CID is not necessary party. Now what happened, my lord? CID, report of the CID is to be placed by the government now. If the CID is not necessary party, your lordship do not allow me. In that case, my lord, they are to produce the CID's report and progress. What finding they give on my degree. And if it is fine that yes, my B.Ed degree is genuine. And it
No,
is properly.
whether any case has been registered with the CID.
Yes.
Lordship,
But that report may be produced, my lord, because my lord, I prayed before your lordship to implement CID. But that petition has been rejected with
Mr.
your
Sheikh, you
contention
see,
that the CID is
here-
not necessary party.
Here,
My lord.
the CID is not a formal party nor a necessary
My lord.
party. Yes, because you
No,
are not
government can
claiming
do-
any relief from the
Government
CID.
can do, produce the CID report, my lord, before your lordship.
So in which
At an early date.
paragraph of your affidavit you have taken that stand?
Yes.
Lordship.
Paragraph number
Paragraph, start from
11.
Lordship. Lordship, in paragraph 8, we have given why he was not made the in charge mastering the losses from page 33, paragraph 8. The petitioner Sultana Ahmed Mazumdar, who was enlisted as serial number 2, was receiving graduate scale of pay with effect from 12th of 1999, completed his BSc in 1998, and obtained BA degree in 2021 during his service period without deputation, nor did he take permission from the appointing authority as prescribed under Rule 13 of the Assam Civil Services Rules 1964. The petitioner obtained his BA degree distance from Kurukshetra University, which is against the rules, your lordship. In schedule 3, it has been stated, your lordship, in the rules, if your lordship permits the rules.
Is it part of the record? No.
Yes, your lordship, the degree that he has obtained, it is
No, that rule.
rule, rule I have not,
What is provided in the rule?
yes. What is provided is that, your lordship, graduate, postgraduate from recognized university with at least 50% marks in either graduation or post-graduation, and Bachelor of B.Ed from National Council for Teacher Education recognized institution, but degrees obtained from off-campus and distance education institutions shall not be considered as invaluable. Off-campus, but degrees obtained from off-campus and distance education.
Uh,
B.Ed, your
You are referring to which rule?
Lordship, it is at page 54. This is Assam Secondary Education Provincialized Rules Service 2018.
54 of this book.
Lordship. Page 54, your lordship. Relevant for lordship, 54. Schedule 3, your lordship.
Yes.
Schedule 3,
Clause.
Roman 2, your lordship. And this is, this schedule is under your lordship rule 10(1)(2).
Okay. Mr. Sheikh, what is your answer on this point?
My lord. My lord, my answer is this, my lord. What is the answer regarding page 17 and 19? My answer is this. Government is to answer that also, that it is recognized.
Wait,
No,
Recognized.
no,
university.
you first tell me, this is the rule.
My lord. No, my lord, if they issue some circulars, my lord, against the rule, that we are helpless now. They have to answer why that has been.
No, which is the
And
circular?
otherwise, what will happen, my lord?
No,
They will-
which is the circular?
My lord,
Doctor, it
Yes.
is there in the rules, your lordship.
my lord.
No, no, Mr. Sheikh is referring to one rule.
My lord,
Where is that rule?
my lord, page 17, page 19, my lord. Page 19. My lord,
No, Mr.
let us read the whole one, my lord. Let us read whole. To DSE Assam, all inspector of schools, districts regarding Bachelor of Education B.Ed program ODL mode by different universities institution recognized by NCTE. NCTE New Delhi letter number so and so so and so. With reference to the subject cited above, I am directed to inform you that many teachers are working in secondary school under Education Department, Government of Assam. Pre-service and number of in-service under-trained teachers is around 22387 numbers approximately, which constitute 39%, 39.35% of in-service teachers. And the number of in-service trained teachers is only 15424. The training of in-service untrained teachers is highly essential, and in this connection, NCTE New Delhi by letter number so and so dated 2020 submitted the list of recognized universities, institutions which are offered B.Ed course through ODL program. The list of recognized universities is closed as appendix so and so. B.Ed course is highly essential and is requirement as per existing service rules of Government of Assam and NCTE regulation enforced, and service untrained teachers has to be trained to deal with teaching curriculum and also to improve the teaching learning process through providing quality education, and accordingly DSE Assam and all inspector of schools of districts are requested to take immediate steps and motivate the untrained in-service teachers to pursue B.Ed course through ODL mode from universities as listed in Appendix 1A, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. So, my lord, here the list annexed, my lord, I have already referred to your lordship, serial number 4, that Kurukshetra University. In the right-hand column, my lord,
No,
course.
Mr. Sheikh, you see, this is only one letter. This is not a OM also.
My lord,
So when the rule is there,
my lord,
the rule will always prevail.
my lord. Rule will, my lord, your lordship would be pleased to see. If
The rule has
rule is
statutory
prevailed,
force.
I am not disputing to that.
Mm.
But this, my lord, it is letter of 2022,
Mm.
and with fighting the matter in 2025. And on the basis of this, after obtaining due permission from the department,
Mm.
I have got the
No,
diploma.
no, from who has granted you the permission?
My lord, yes, Inspector of Schools, my lord, that
Whether
is
inspector of school is the appointing authority,
not appointing authority, but
then from whom you have to obtain the permission? Who is the authority?
if that could raise my doubt, I write a letter to the inspectors. Your lordship will consider.
Mm.
Wrote a letter to the inspector. If the inspector is not authorized,
Mm.
how the inspector allowed me, my lord? That is another question.
No, you see what is provided in the rule.
My
Who
lord,
has to grant you the permission to
No.
pursue the further studies? Who
if
is
they,
the authority?
if they denied this, my lord, I am helpless.
You tell me, as
My-
per rule, who is the authority
My
to
lord.
grant you the permission?
But in that case, my lord, I am to examine the matter, my lord.
You have to
So,
examine.
some time.
Okay, you examine the matter.
Yes, my lord.
You come prepared.
Yes, my lord.
Heard, Mr. MSc, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Miss D. Musahari, Learned Standing Counsel for the respondent in Secondary Education Department. After hearing learned advocates about the parties, it is provided that recessal is the matter in the second week of January 2026. Oh, further hearing. In the meantime, Mr. Sheikh Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall obtain necessary instruction in respect of who is the appropriate authority to grant permission to pursue higher studies. List the matter. The second week of January. Second week of January.
Your Lordship, on last occasion, accountant general was asked to take instruction.
Lordship, fine. Mr. H. Talukdar is here on lake, Lordship. Kindly pass over for time being, Lordship.
Numbers 21 and 22 for others. Started with.
Particular legal parts. The review petition has been preferred. Practically years.
Yes, madam, are you ready to argue the
Lordship,
matter?
Lordship. After on the last occasion, your Lordship had heard at length, your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, the order to be reviewed is at page 46, your Lordship.
Hmm.
And the relevant paragraph is at page 15, your Lordship, page 52, paragraph 15.
Hmm.
In view of the above, the judgment and order dated so and so would hold its force and the provision, therefore, that for the purpose of provincialization of assistant teacher, the basis would be seniority and not the subject combination would also have to be followed. In the event the said proposition is followed, the petitioner is senior to the respondent number 6 in the manner as indicated above. It being so, the code is of the view that the order of provincializing the service of the respondent number 6 would have to be declared to be contrary to the requirement of section 4 of the Act of 2011. Having declared so, it is directed the Director of Secondary Education would pass a order thereto by taking into consideration that the petitioner is senior to the respondent number 6. And being senior, the provision of section 4 of the Act of 2011 would be applicable in favor of the petitioner. In doing so, the director shall follow necessary procedure under the law as required.
Hmm.
Lordship, by this order, your Lordship, the petitioner, the respondent was directed to be.
So, what is the ground? You have
Lordship,
taken
the
the
grounds that-
petition?
The grounds are at page 6, your Lordship.
Yes.
Since your Lordship, the 2011 Act has been declared ultra virus, your Lordship. It has been repealed, your Lordship. So now it is difficult for us to provincialize the person under the 2011 Act, your Lordship. So we want a review of your Lordship's order so that we can provincialize the person under the new Act, your Lordship. And a contempt has also been filed, your Lordship. because we have not complied with your lordship's direction.
So this order was passed on 28/11/2018.
18, your lordship.
Whether you have pointed out this to the court at the time of passing this order?
Lordship, whether it is because maybe if it was pointed out, your lordship, maybe it would have been reflected in the order, your lordship.
You see where it is reflected.
Lordship. It is nowhere, your lordship. I have gone through because that is
Then,
lordship.
was never pointed out.
Because in the whether
please sit down.
whether it was pointed out or not, lordship, now I'll not be able to say on that, your lordship. However, if we go through the order, your lordship, which is under review, nowhere it has been stated that the 2011 Act has been repealed, your lordship.
Appeal to paper.
So this order was passed on 28/11/2018,
18, your lordship.
and you have preferred this petition, review petition on 10th of September 2024.
Lordship.
What is the due diligence on your part?
Lordship. Lordship, we had undertaken, we had given the proposal and all, but ultimately we had seen. Lordship, we are not saying that we do not want to provincialize the person, your
No,
lordship.
no,
We
that's all
want
right,
to.
but you have filed a review petition.
Lordship.
But in order to review, you have to establish that there was due diligence on your part. Hmm? After 6 years, you have preferred the review petition. Hmm? After dismissal of the appeal, and that too after filing of the contempt petition. The object is only to frustrate the contempt proceeding.
Lordship, in contempt petition, I'm not very much aware because it is the individual councils have taken it. But however, your lordship, the proposals were sent, your lordship. It's not that we
So
that
this,
we had not
this
we had
is
sat down on the matter, your lordship.
this is not a healthy practice. We dismiss this petition with cost. We'll pass order.
Lordship, may I
Hmm.
submit, lordship? Lordship, even if your lordship, maybe due diligence was not followed, your lordship. However, at this point of time, our hands are tied down, your lordship. We cannot provincialize.
Do whatever you like.
Lordship, that is why we have come before you, your lordship. Because how do we
No,
provincialize the
no,
person?
There are
Lordship.
several decisions of the Supreme Court. You go through the same and take necessary steps as per the said decision.
Lordship, under the 2011 Act, we cannot provincialize him. It is
That is your
null
business.
and void, your lordship.
That is your business.
Lordship, how to provincialize the
No, that is
person?
your
That is why we have come before you,
Sorry.
lordship. Lordship will then allow me some time, your
No,
lordship.
no time.
Diplomat.
Then he'll not be provincialized, your lordship, because it will
Oh,
never
whatever,
into process, your lordship.
whatever legal course is available to you, you avail it.
Then your lordship will give me some time
No,
on
no,
the,
no, no,
on the contempt petition, your lordship, what is the position?
no, no, no. Already we have heard the matter.
Oblige, your lord.
Contempt is separately listed.
No, see, on that, lordship me,
Them will be listed separately.
lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, on the last occasion, the petitioner was directed to take steps upon the respondent. And lordship, we have taken steps on 28/11/2025. There is no office record, lordship. So I would like to furnish this report.
Okay. It's not kill my mother. Sorry, Baro. No, 28/11. So, madam, you are appearing for the opposite parties.
Madam?
You are appearing for the opposite parties.
Yes, but right for the respondents.
All the respondents. You want to file any reply in this petition?
Yes, my lord, your lordship, but he has filed reply.
You will file your reply. Heard, Ms. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mrs. U. Chakraborty, learned special senior railway advocate for the respondent opposite party. Ms. Chakraborty submits that she may be granted some time to file a reply to this petition. They are allowed to socialize the matter on when? After vacation?
Up to the next month.
If possible, a date may be fixed, lordship. In the month of January, any date.
But after March view, my lord, because prior to March view, there is number of cases already fixed by.
22nd January.
Yes, sir.
22nd January. Obliged.
Oblige, your lordship.
Number 26.
In this case, my lord, learned filed an IA for vacation of the stay, my lord. This is pending. Look, my submission is that, my lord, it's a small matter. Your lordship can dispose of the entire matter. If they, my lord, I talked to my learned senior friend, my lord, he is not here now.
I talked to him that can the matter be, if your lordship deem it fit, my lord, can it be fixed for admission hearing? The matter may be, my lord. Finally disposed this.
May I please your lordship, my senior is coming, he's on the way. Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for time being.
Okay, we'll fix the matter on another date. We'll finally hear and dispose of the matter on that day.
Yes, that can be done. In the meantime, if my learned friend, my lord, from education department want to file some affidavit, then they can may also.
You file your affidavit.
They have not yet filed, my lord. They have not yet filed. If they want to file, my lord, they may file it in the meantime, my lord. That may be observed and.
This IA is filed by you.
Yes.
Heard, Mr.
And Bora,
Learned
Kumar.
counsel for the applicant. And
on behalf of N Bora.
appearing on behalf of Mr. N. Bora, learned conducting counsel for the applicant, and Mr. J. Pine, learned counsel for the opposite party. Numbers?
Opposite
OP
party,
number?
one, my lord.
1.
Yes, lead petitioner.
Here you OP number 6. No, in IA.
IA, my lord, yes. In I OP my lord, OP number 1.
OP number 1.
Yes, in I OP
Ms.
number
N.
1.
Fukun for OP number 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Mr. Payeng, learned counsel for the OP number 1 submits that this matter may be fixed along with WPC number 6875 of 2024 for admission hearing.
Yes.
Admission hearing. And in the meantime, the opposite party number 1. No, opposite party number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 may file their affidavit in opposition. Accordingly, taking note of the submission of learned counsel for both the parties, it is provided that list this matter along with WPC number 6875 of 2024 for admission hearing. And in the meantime, Ms. Fukun may file her affidavit in opposition. List the matter on
22nd January.
22nd January.
Item 32.
That is a lot. Only one famous. Interim order may continue, my lord. Interim order is there.
Okay, interim order pass services until.
We have started the activity for waiting also, but because of director is not available, he will be joining on the Monday.
Lordship,
May I say that any day on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, Lordship. That is my humble prayer. And Mr. L. Das is also looking after this matter. Now today he is not available.
Lordship, on 8/9, Lordship, they submitted that the affidavit is already ready. So they seek only 1 week time, my lord.
But because of that problem, Lordship, we could not get it signed. That he is joining on Monday, definitely it comes Wednesday, Lordship. For 2-3 days,
Alright.
Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
Lordship.
P.K. Bordolo, learned counsel for the petitioner. Third. Towbilder, learned standing counsel for the higher education department. Mr. Towbilder submits that this matter was assigned to Mr. S. Das, learned standing counsel, but due to some difficulties, he is not present in the court today. And as per his instruction, affidavit has already been prepared and sent for vetting. And accordingly, he prays for listing the matter after a week. They are allowed. The SSL list the matter after a week. After a week.
Lordship, a date may be fixed before vacation, Lordship, because it's a 2023 matter. Lordship.
Before vacation, not possible. And last week will be the filing, only
Only
the
on after the
motion,
before the vacation, Lordship.
not possible. First week of January.
Be extended, Lordship. There's an interim order.
Okay, interim order pass earlier shall continue.
Standing matters, item number 31 for admission.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, lordship, Accountant General was directed to take a instruction, lordship. Whether pay slip was issued to the petitioner or not, lordship. And lordship, one more instruction, the action was to my learned friend to take a instruction whether the matter is barred by the judgment passed by the Rafiq Maji, lordship.
Hmm.
Since lordship, recovery was done, lordship, lordship, after retirement, lordship.
Hmm.
Whether pay slip was issued.
Yes. Okay, what is? Okay, it was not issued by the AG.
Lordship. Payslip was only issued to the district transport officer, so far my concern, lordship.
Hmm.
And only district transport officer is the gazetted official.
Kindly observe my submission and kindly record the submission I have made. In paragraph 6 and 8, I am relying. A debt judgment that Lordship has relied and asked me to also go through. I have transferred the judgment, Lordship. Yes, undertaking was also given in that matter. But retirement, recovery after retirement also not permissible according to this judgment. This is Lordship has asked me to go through 2016-14 SCC 267.
Hmm.
Yes. I got a Punjab and Haryana Matel Japdev Singh.
Hmm.
I have gone through it.
So that the purpose of referring that judgment is that
Lord,
in case of gazetted officer also that is applicable.
but so for the instruction come from the accountant general, no place he was discussed.
Hmm.
Under my first appropriate order, Lordship may kindly record my submission. I am relying paragraph 6 and 7 of my affidavit. And that matter also undertaking was given, Lordship.
Where in this case?
That matter, my Lord, Lordship has asked me
Uh-huh,
to go.
yes. Is there any undertaking in this
Yes.
matter?
2016-14 SCC 267.
No, no, in this matter,
No.
No,
no undertaking.
Lordship, but whether the money has been recovered or yet to be recovered, that line is
Lordship, it is recovered. Actually, recovered, the pension was censored. Accountant General censored the DCRG and the pension. DCRG amount was approximately 12 lakhs. And there were some area of pension also, from the date of retirement to the payment, first payment, Lordship.
No, what document you have to show that the amount was recovered from you?
Not from my bank account, Lordship, it is not recovered, but treasury itself, Lordship, it is forwarded to the treasury officer, Lordship. My DCRG amount. Sense of DCRG amount was forwarded to the treasury officer.
Hmm.
That was not paid. Already recovered, Lordship.
Has nothing to show in the presentation, but that is recovered, it needs to be recovered.
It is, Lordship.
Do you have any document to show that the amount has been recovered?
Yes, Lordship. Yes,
Where?
Lordship. Just a minute, Lordship. Lordship, admissible gratuity was 12,64,652, page 67. Page 67. And the Accountant General letter is at page 58. This was the letter to the treasury officer to recover, Lordship.
58.
When 58. That's the pensioning letter, Lordship. Pension century letter. Lordship, page 59, Lordship, page 59 again. This year's the amount of sanction 12,64,652. total recoveries, Lordship, 14,71,394.
This calculation is ordered by the accountant.
Yes.
At the treasury officer. So whether it has been recovered or yet to be recovered, it is not clear.
It is recovered, Lordship. It is
No
recovered.
documents to show.
Since I am only receiving monthly pension. My year of pension was, Lordship, 3,93,514. Out of that, Lordship, 2,06,742 were recovered, Lordship. Additionally, Lordship, whole census for the purpose of gratuity, Lordship, was recovered, Lordship. Page, Lordship, 60.
At page 62% is shown amount to be recovered. Whether it will be recovered.
It is more hard, my better.
Can
Actually,
you show any document?
Lordship, actually, the fact is that Accountant General, Lordship, calculated the amount to be recovered, Lordship, and accordingly instructions went to the Treasury Officer to make payment, Lordship, from the pension and discharge, Lordship, and accordingly payment were made, Lordship.
Bank statement of the.
Bank statement, Lordship, on the, Lordship, I will, Lordship, submit the bank statement, then, Lordship.
Okay, you produce the document, we will see then. Heard, Mr. S. Talukdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Ms. M.D. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel for the Transport Department. Miss, your name? Tinlung, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. R.K. Talukdar, Learned Standing Counsel for the Accountant General. Mr. Soliha for Mr. Soliha, can you obtain from Treasury Officer the information that the amount has been recovered?
14 lakhs, 14 lakhs.
14 lakhs, huh?
Total,
No. 14 lakhs.
During the course of hearing, Ms. Tinlong has produced one letter of the AG Assam, the senior accountant of the AG ANE Assam, dated 1st of December 2025, and on the basis of the said letter, it is submitted that no payslip was issued the petitioner as he was serving as enforcement officer, enforcement inspector. Ms. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel for the Transport Department, submits that on the basis of the stand taken in paragraph number 6 and 8 of the affidavit in opposition, this matter may be disposed of. However, she submits that it is not clear from the documents as to whether the amount has actually been recovered from the pensionary benefit of the petitioner or not. Accordingly, it is provided that Mr. Talukdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, shall produce relevant document before this court on next date. And Mr. A. Soliha, Learned Standing Counsel for the Treasury Officer, shall also obtain necessary instructions regarding deduction of the regarding recoveries of the excess drawal amount and apprise this court on next date. This is the matter on after vacation.
8 January.
Obviously.
Did we apply to that?
Eleven and 12.
I think 11, my lord, I have the instruction to take, my lord, withdraw this review petition, my lord, because the petitioner is going to complete the 10 years of experience as graduate teacher in the month of January. So he is not pursuing the review petition at this stage. 11.
So we are dismissing this petition.
We'll proceed with, close the review petition.
Okay. Mr. I. Soikia, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has instruction not to press this review petition, and the same may be closed. Accordingly, taking note of the submission of Mr. Soikia, learned counsel for the petitioner, this review petition stands closed.
My lord.
Your Lordship, I am appearing for in this review petition, I am appearing for secondary education. We have already filed our affidavit, Your Lordship, but Your Lordship, I am appearing for responding.
No, he has not been pursuing the
Yes.
petition. Where is the necessity of recording your name and your?
Her name may be recorded, my lord, for a department.
Because file pleading something, Your Lordship, at this stage, Your Lordship, kindly my name may be recorded, Your Lordship. I am appearing for respondent number 1, 2, 3,
Record.
4.
And I'm for no file. But so far the litigation is concerned, I have to file the affidavit. Because I'm thinking that the IA filing the review application, that will suffice the review petition as well as the repetition.
The other day also, my lord, I
Since
was.
my learned friend is now withdraw the review petition, and I have to file affidavit in the petition lordship. The lordship may grant lordship 10 days time, I will file.
Okay,
affidavit.
heard Mr. I. Soikia, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. A. Deka for respondent number,
That's one number 5.
respondent number 5. And you for
1,
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. Deka submits that he may be granted some time to file his affidavit in opposition. Fair allowed. This is the matter after vacation.
Interim order may be continued.
Interim order plus earlier shall continue.
Obliged, my lord.
Running item.
Very good.
Your Lordship, the seniority list that we have annexed, Your Lordship, I have gone through it, Your Lordship. And the petitioner is senior most because he has been receiving regular scale of pay, Your Lordship. And although NOC was not given, but that is settled, Your Lordship, because NOC will not invalidate a person's pay, but the eligibility settled, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, the plea that we have taken, that he should be less than 57 years of age, Your Lordship. Lordship, it is on the day of recruitment, Your Lordship, and the day of recruitment is 23, Your Lordship. Right? As
So
far as I can understand, Your Lordship, it will be from the day.
ask them to recall the order
Lordship.
or to pass a fresh order, we will fix that.
Here, only the inspector of schools has been, because after seniority list was submitted, it was the inspector of schools, he was made in charge principal. Nobody has been made, Your Lordship. So if, since the petitioner has fulfills the criteria, Your Lordship, he can be allowed to be the in charge principal, Your Lordship. Provided the seniority list and everything is very.
No, better you recall the order instead of,
Of the inspector of schools, Your Lordship.
yes, yes.
That
Allow the
order-
petitioner to hold the search.
If the Lordship.
We'll take it up in the next week.
Lordship.
Then Lordship will keep it part hard.
Okay.
And Lordship can otherwise dispose also. I mean, this is a rare kind of courtesy that we have got from the department actually.
Because
They
we
have-
have
they
gone
have-
through, Your Lordship, and
Thank you so much for that.
and it will be from the day of recruitment. So
Yes.
recruitment, of course, Your Lordship has said that it was from 2023, Your Lordship,
Mm.
because that person has retired
Mm.
and that's why vacancy arose. So as far as my knowledge goes, Your Lordship, it should be from that day itself, Your Lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, I would request if Lordship has, of course, she has definitely very fairly submitted. And if that is the view taken, then lordship will pass some order because ultimately, I have,
No, you see,
I
he
have-
has already filed one affidavit.
yes,
It is her verbal submission.
Yes, your lord.
yes.
Better let the order be recalled and the petitioner be trusted with the answers. Instead of passing an order
I leave to your lordship.
next week.
Lordship, date because I'll not be available on 7, 8 and 9, so Lord, 8 and 9.
No. In the next week.
Lordship.
11, 12.
Lordship.
Part, Mr.
My senior was arguing the matter, M.F. Chaudhary,
MS Chaudhary, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr.
M.K. Chaudhary.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. Mosahari, learned standing counsel for the respondent in secondary education department. Hardin part lists the matter on 16. So as to obtain further necessary instruction by Ms. Mosahari.
Lordship. Of like,
Item 28.
My colleague, B. Kaushik, and he is out of station, he will available on Tuesday, madam. And that's also for taking in the send in our group. So let the matter come on Tuesday.
It is pending since 2023, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Pegu, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Kaushik, submits that this matter was assigned to Mr. Kaushik, and Mr. Kaushik is not present in the court due to some inconvenience, and a press for listing the matter in the next week. We are allowed presses to list the matter on 9. Mr.
H.L. Ashkar.
Learned counsel for the petitioner present.
Item 33.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, my senior is not well today, so he could not appear.
Okay. Miss, your name?
Chaudhary. N. Chaudhary on behalf of MS M. Kumari.
And Chaudhary, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr.
MS M. Kumari.
You are appearing on behalf of
CBI. MS M.
CBI.
Kumari.
CBI. Press for listing the matter after
Vacation, your lordship.
after vacation, as her senior, no, as the conducting counsel, Miss
M. Kumari.
M. Kumari is indisposed of. We are allowed to list the matter after vacation.
Obliged.
20.
20
January.
January. Obliged, your lordship.
Deeply obliged.